Welcome back. Now, Maharashtra continues to be the worst impacted state as far as the coronavirus march is concerned. It has recorded 123 fatalities in the last 24 hours with a total, in fact, of 2,700 cases recorded in the last 24 hours. Hitting a new high, Maharashtra also reported 2,933 new coronavirus cases. The state now stands at 77,700. Mumbai has been witnessing a rise in the number of deaths in the past few days. The total number of deaths in Mumbai alone stand at 1,465, while more than 33,000 people have been discharged. Former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has written to current Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray alleging the percentage of coronavirus tests in Mumbai have been halved, has been reduced. In Delhi, as we showed, in fact, we had shown you what are the problems as far as the app is concerned. Many complaints about people not getting hospital beds. Also remember, there are many people, those who just, even if they are suspicious or asymptomatic, they want to get into the hospital system. That creates a lot of pressure. But what is the SOP for Maharashtra? How are the hospitals in Maharashtra dealing with the admission process as far as the COVID-19 cases are concerned? Now, if you are tested positive of COVID-19 in Mumbai, the local BMC ward office contacts a patient. Asymptomatic patients are quarantined at home. Symptomatic patients are admitted to the local ward. And critical patients, in fact, are shifted to ICU and other hospitals. What is the availability? A larger availability of the hospital beds in Mumbai right now. Total 16,197 hospital beds have been created in Mumbai for COVID-19. 12,908 beds are occupied. That means at this moment in Mumbai city, 80% of the COVID dedicated beds are already occupied. Total oxygenated beds, 4,650 in Mumbai, out of which 3,424 are occupied. 74% occupancy as far as the oxygen-enabled beds are concerned. Let's also take a look at the capacity of the ventilators in the city. 442 ventilators are available for Mumbaikars, out of which 378 at this point of time are occupied, which is 85% of the total number of ventilators available in the city of Mumbai. Meanwhile, there are questions being raised. In fact, increasing number of COVID-19 patients in Mumbai have forced the authorities to, in fact, try and get more beds, isolation beds for the patients. Now, where are these? The Nesco Goregaon East has 290 beds. There are only 43 occupied. Bandra Kurla Complex, 240 beds, only 50 occupied. And out of this, there are 120 oxygenated beds many of them are unoccupied. Now, this creates a unique problem as far as people of Mumbai are concerned, and it also shows you the complexity of the health system. Everybody who tests positive for coronavirus wants to go in a hospital, even if they are not of severe symptoms. As the number of cases rise, this is something now that the government will have to be very careful, and we also will have to cooperate with the government on this.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.